I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to qfleetnews, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. Sweden's wireless car industry has seen a staggering growth of over 20% in the last year alone, with experts predicting this trend will not only continue, but also significantly impact global markets. This rapid expansion is largely due to the country's strategic investment in wireless technology and its application in automotive manufacturing. As the demand for more connected and autonomous vehicles rises, Sweden is positioning itself at the forefront of this revolution. The potential for Sweden to influence global standards in wireless car technology is substantial, given its existing strong automotive and tech sectors. The Swedish government has recently announced a series of changes aimed at further boosting the wireless car industry, which could have significant implications both domestically and internationally. These changes are part of a broader strategy to make Sweden a leader in innovative and sustainable transportation solutions. By implementing these changes, Sweden aims to attract more foreign investment, create new job opportunities, and contribute to reducing carbon emissions through the development of electric and autonomous vehicles. The decision to implement these changes comes after extensive consultation with industry stakeholders who have welcomed the move as a positive step towards future-proofing the sector. The recent changes in the wireless car industry in Sweden are multifaceted, including new regulations, investments in infrastructure, and incentives for companies to develop and adopt wireless car technologies. This comprehensive approach is designed to address the challenges faced by the industry, such as a need for faster and more reliable data transmission, enhanced safety features, and reduced production costs. By tackling these challenges, Sweden hopes to not only grow its domestic industry, but also to become a global hub for the development and manufacturing of wireless cars. The changes also reflect Sweden's commitment to innovation and sustainability, core values that underpin the country's economic and environmental policies. The implementation of these changes is expected to have a profound impact on how cars are designed, manufactured, and used in Sweden and potentially worldwide. As the automotive industry continues to evolve with a growing focus on electrification, autonomy, and connectivity, the role of wireless technology will become increasingly critical. Sweden's proactive approach in adapting to these trends places it in a strong position to capitalize on the opportunities presented by the convergence of the automotive and tech industries. Furthermore, the country's emphasis on sustainability means that these changes are also likely to contribute to a reduction in the environmental footprint of the automotive sector, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Sweden currently holds a significant position in both the automotive and wireless technology sectors, with several major manufacturers and tech companies having operations in the country. The automotive sector has historically been a cornerstone of Sweden's economy, with brands like Volvo being synonymous with Swedish engineering and quality. In the wireless technology sector, Sweden is home to Ericsson, a leading provider of wireless network infrastructure, which plays a crucial role in the development of 5G networks essential for the operation of wireless cars. Previous regulations have supported the growth of these sectors, with a focus on research and development, innovation, and export promotion. However, the new changes signal a shift towards even more specialized and targeted support for the integration of wireless technology in cars. Previous regulations in Sweden have been geared towards encouraging innovation and competition within the automotive and tech sectors. This has included incentives for research and development, tax breaks for companies investing in new technologies, and significant investment in education and training programs to ensure a skilled workforce. The regulatory environment has been generally supportive of the growth of the wireless car industry, with a light-touch approach that encourages experimentation and innovation. However, the recent changes indicate a move towards more specific and targeted regulation, particularly in areas such as data privacy and safety standards for autonomous vehicles. The Swedish government has outlined a detailed plan for the implementation of the changes, which includes the adoption of specific technologies and policies designed to support the growth of the wireless car industry. A key part of this plan is the rollout of 5G networks across the country, which will provide the high-speed data connectivity necessary for the efficient operation of wireless cars. Additionally, there are plans to invest heavily in the development of autonomous vehicle technology, including the creation of test beds and innovation hubs where companies can develop and test new products and services. The timeline for implementation is ambitious, with many of the key changes expected to be in place within the next 2 to 3 years. The technologies being adopted as part of these changes include advanced forms of wireless communication, such as vehicle-to-everything technology, which enables cars to communicate with other cars, infrastructure, and pedestrians. This technology has the potential to significantly enhance safety on the roads by allowing for the real-time exchange of information about road conditions, traffic, and potential hazards. Other technologies being prioritized include artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, which will play critical roles in the development of autonomous vehicles and smart transportation systems. The adoption of these technologies is expected to have a transformative impact on the automotive industry in Sweden, enabling the development of new products and services that are more efficient, sustainable, and safer. The potential for job creation in areas such as software development, data analysis, and cybersecurity is also significant, as the industry moves towards a more tech-intensive future. Furthermore, the focus on sustainability and reducing carbon emissions aligns with Sweden's commitment to environmental protection and its goals under the Paris Agreement. In terms of specific policies, the Swedish government is introducing new regulations related to data protection and cybersecurity, which are crucial for the secure operation of wireless cars. These regulations will ensure that the personal data of car users is protected and that the systems used in wireless cars are secure against cyber threats. Additionally, there are plans to invest in public awareness campaigns to educate consumers about the benefits and risks associated with wireless car technology. The timeline for the implementation of these changes is quite aggressive, with many of the key initiatives expected to be rolled out over the next few years. This rapid pace of change reflects the government's commitment to making Sweden a leader in the wireless car industry and its recognition of the need to act quickly to stay ahead of the competition. The government has also emphasized its willingness to work closely with industry stakeholders to ensure a smooth transition and to address any challenges that may arise during the implementation process. One of the key challenges that Sweden faces in implementing these changes is the need to ensure that the necessary infrastructure is in place to support the widespread adoption of wireless car technology. This includes not only the rollout of 5G networks, but also the development of charging infrastructure for electric vehicles and the creation of smart road systems that can communicate with cars. Addressing these infrastructure needs will require significant investment, but the potential long-term benefits in terms of economic growth, environmental sustainability, and improved safety make it a worthwhile endeavor. The changes being made to the wireless car industry in Sweden are also likely to have implications beyond the country's borders. As a significant player in the global automotive industry, developments in Sweden can influence trends and standards worldwide. The adoption of specific technologies and policies in Sweden could potentially set a precedent for other countries, contributing to the establishment of global standards for the wireless car industry. This could have a profound impact on how cars are designed and manufactured in the future, with a greater emphasis on connectivity, autonomy, and sustainability. The potential benefits of these changes are numerous, including improved road safety, reduced traffic congestion, and lower emissions. Wireless cars equipped with advanced safety features can significantly reduce the risk of accidents, while autonomous vehicles can optimize traffic flow and reduce the time spent in traffic jams. Additionally, the shift towards electric and hybrid vehicles will contribute to a decrease in air pollution in urban areas, improving public health and quality of life. However, there are also potential challenges and risks associated with the implementation of these changes. One of the main concerns is the issue of cybersecurity, as the increased connectivity of cars creates new vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. There are also questions about the privacy of car users' data and how it will be protected. Furthermore, the transition to a more tech-intensive industry could lead to job displacement in certain sectors, particularly among workers who are not equipped with the necessary skills to adapt to the new technologies. Industry experts have welcomed the changes, noting that they are a necessary step towards the future of the automotive industry. According to a leading analyst, the integration of wireless technology in cars is not just about enhancing the driving experience, but also about transforming the entire automotive ecosystem. It's about creating a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation system. This view is shared by many in the industry, who see the potential for wireless car technology to revolutionize the way we travel and interact with our vehicles. In an interview, the CEO of a major automotive manufacturer operating in Sweden expressed enthusiasm for the government's initiative, stating, "We believe that the changes announced by the Swedish government will provide a significant boost to our operations in the country. They align perfectly with our own strategy to develop more connected and autonomous vehicles, and we look forward to working closely with the government to make this vision a reality." This sentiment is echoed by other stakeholders who appreciate the proactive approach taken by the government to support the growth of the wireless car industry. Another expert in the field noted, The key to the successful implementation of these changes will be the ability to address the challenges related to cybersecurity and data protection. As we move towards a more connected and autonomous automotive industry, ensuring the security and integrity of the systems used in wireless cars will be paramount. This highlights the importance of a comprehensive approach that not only promotes innovation, but also safeguards against potential risks. The changes being implemented in Sweden's wireless car industry are part of a broader shift towards a more sustainable and technologically advanced automotive sector. As the industry continues to evolve, it's clear that countries that embrace innovation and are willing to invest in new technologies will be at the forefront of this change. The future of the automotive industry is closely tied to the development of wireless car technology, and Sweden is well positioned to play a leading role in this future. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to qfleetnews, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.